We'll make note of this too. This is my hair and makeup session right here for my videos right now. Get it 2 more years. Whole camera crew, makeup crew, all that. Yo, what the deal? This is your man Frank Dutch right here, back at y'all with another video, man. And today I want to talk to y'all about a few plugins that I just find myself running to every time I mix a song. Before we get into it, yo, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, because this video is gonna be full of information. Go ahead, ring that bell so you can stay up on everything that we doing, man. But without further ado, let's get into the video, man. Let's go. All right, so for this first one we about to get into, the first one I want to tell y'all about is the Avid channel strip, man. And this joint right here, it's a channel strip, so you can pretty much do like anything with it as far as mixing is concerned. But I personally like to use it mostly for subtractive EQ, man. This is, to me, it's perfect for that because it's transparent. That basically means you can't hear the plugin work. It doesn't have any floor noise like, you know, some of the other plugins may have that's modeled after other pieces of hardware, you know what I mean? The actual cue for the EQ, man, you can have that almost at 0 if you want to, you know what I'm saying? Which will allow you to like really get in and pin out or pin up frequencies, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I like using this plugin a lot for subtractive EQ. All right, so this next one right here, it's a reverb plugin, but it's a impulse response reverb plugin. It's called Spaceman. And this joint right here, man, it's one of my favorite plugins to use, mainly because a lot of the time people record in the craziest places, you know what I'm saying? So once I do my subtractive EQ, I like to bring up this plugin right here and actually put them in one of my favorite recording rooms in the world right now. And that is the Signature Sound Studios room A, man. That A room booth. Man, listen, get your Googles on about it, whatever you gotta do, or go there if you close by, you know what I'm saying? It's in San Diego. I love that place, man. Shout out to y'all, Gustavo, everybody up there, Andre, Louise. Shout out to all y'all. Anyway, this plugin, man, has both of the rooms modeled, the A and the B room. They have both of the rooms modeled, so you can pretty much put the signal in that room. And that's what I like to use it for. I'll do my subtractive EQ, and then I'll throw that plugin on to kind of give it the effect that it was recorded in that space. Yeah. This next one right here is almost like a 2-for-1. I like to use this in combination with the UAD SSL. The console one, man. The console one is something that I like to use a lot, especially when I use the UAD SSL plugin, and y'all know how that DSP thing goes. So when I either run out of DSP or I don't want to use as much DSP because I'm using it with other plugins, I like to bring up this to give that texture back, you know what I mean, and give, like, really balance, do some additive EQ. How about that? Like, I do additive EQ and I do the compression. I actually use it as if it was the SSL channel strip, you know what I'm saying? So yes, I love using this. This is one that I run to like sonic speed. So last but certainly not least, the Melodies plugin, man. And this plugin right here is very, very powerful, man. Like, powerful than most people think, man. Now, you can only get it if you got the Slate digital all access subscription. I just saw when I was looking for a picture to show y'all the actual plugin that you can go to Sweetwater.com and get it for $149 right now, just the plugin itself. So if you don't want to have all of the other plugins that come with the Slate digital all access, which I still think is worth it, you can just go pay the $149 and you got one of the illest plugins out right now. You know what I'm saying? Let's get back to the video. This Melodies plugin is one that I find myself running to for so many reasons, bro. Like, if I want to make something stand out a little more, or if I even want to like do some stereo widening a little bit, this plugin is perfect for that, dog. And it's just off the tweak of a few knobs. Just you can get the sound that you're looking for literally in seconds. You know what I'm saying? Like the Melodies plugin is fire. You can use it on like your beats and melodies and stuff like that. But dog, I found it useful on vocals. I found it useful on a bunch of other stuff, bro. That if you just, man, it's a tool, man. And I'm trying to tell you, bro. That's one of my favorite ones right there, man. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the vid, man. Y'all be cool how y'all be cool, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Ring that bell so you can stay up on everything that we doing, man. Y'all be cool how y'all be cool, man. Peace.